Hey, I'm Brent. You're watching Steam Culture. Happy pre-Thanksgiving. We're just a couple of days away. And we know what that means. Football, naps, and all of that preceded by food. Well, we couldn't help by doing a food Thanksgiving episode on Steam Culture. We did one on steaming a turkey a couple of years ago. We'll put Happy Thanksgiving. Just in time for Thanksgiving, I have a steam hack for you on how to cook your turkey with steam. So where does this whole steaming of the turkey come from? Well, there's a French chef named Jacques Pepin. Now, you can see him here cooking with Julia Child. He's kind of a fun little personality, and he's been on PBS TV cooking shows for quite a while. Now, he suggests that you steam your turkey for a couple of reasons. One is that it's going to cook faster. Two is that it's going to cook more thorough because of the moist steam heat. Three is that apparently it melts the fat. Now, when you melt the fat, you make better gravy. So there's a little steam hack. You can walk. The granddaddy of side dishes, mashed potatoes. Now, everyone knows how you make mashed potatoes. You peel a potato, you throw it in boiling water, and you make mashed potatoes. And there's some wizardry after, depending on how in-depth you get. But we found this lady on YouTube that says, hey, look, you don't want to boil a potato, you want to steam the potato. We had to cover that, right? But she's got a point. She said, hey, look, the potato absorbs all that water, and you certainly don't want to overcook them when you're boiling them because they absorb more water, which washes out the starch and the flavor and the nutrients. But when you steam the potatoes, all the nutrients stay in them, you don't absorb as much water, and it makes for a better tasting mashed potato. Hey, I'm Brent. Welcome to Steam Culture. I want to talk to you today about apple pie.
The apple pie.
Delicioso. Now, about this apple pie, something you need to know. Apples contain a lot of water. In fact, they're about 85% water. They also give up a third of that water when they are cooked at high temperature, such as would be in an oven. Now, here's what's going to go on. The water that evaporates, it's going to be released into steam, and that steam has got to go somewhere. So these things that you look at right here, that you think, do you like that? That you think are attractive, these are actually steam vents. It allows the steam to release. Now, what happens if that steam doesn't release? I'll show you. You get the ugly apple pie. Now look at this one here. Nice. Nice crust. Look at the top of this one. A bubbly mess. So what's going to happen is the steam is going to release and it's going to go up under that crust and it's going to break at the weakest point. And you can see right here, it was right here, and it's going to create all these ugly steam pockets. So the next time you bake an apple pie, you'll know the role that steam and these steam vents play in your apple pie baking. Or if you go out to buy one and you see a pie crust like that, you can say, listen, buddy, I watch Steam Culture and I know that is an inferior pie crust. You can do it. Have a great Thanksgiving. See you next week.